in your head, your brain, you have like the 4K clarity. You're an expert in your field. But when you're in a meeting, your delivery is like analog, like this.
In just a few testing centers around the world, as this is usually used for migration in Canada. But for general purpose uses, we you can take the TOEFL test, the IELTS, and the Pearson test of English.
The science of presence. So, presence is often mistaken as charisma or confidence, right? But in behavioral research, presence is suggested to be really about credibility.
The brain subconsciously assumes that it is more true and more trustworthy. So, research shows that people trust information more when it is easy to process. So, simplicity isn't dumbing down, it is a biological hack to build trust.
It was delivered in a way that was not differentiated. It wasn't helping them. It wasn't helping them develop confidence or their sense of identity. So that's when I kind of I kind of started doing this concept that was differentiating, which is when you teach kind of like you change. You don't just do one thing for everyone.